you love me, huh?
But you don't feel like I do. Tell me, what can I do?
What can you do?
Check sick beats to your thing, right?
But I gotta be strong, girl, you did me wrong. I thought we were now. Now you say you want me, girl. Make up your mind. I'm not gonna be here for
Alexa, play all the niggas that played me. This is for you niggas that doubted me, for you niggas that envy me. Throwing salt on my name, man, it only season me. Y'all seasoning with your loyalty, thought I was finished, but now it's no stopping me. Too tired, verse recorder song, now shit ain't been the same. Now folks know my name, think they know me, think we homies, but I just be coolin'. Nah, I can't stress y'all, nah, y'all be foolin'. I know I'm fucked up, just pray for me, little baby. My mental twisted, the life I live is wicked. Feeling like Kivo, hell nah, you don't know me. Feel like Chief, man, I hate being sober. Don't talk about my problems, they say I complain. Roll up them white out so they can burn slow and ease my pain. Feel don't wanna know where to go. Move from house to house, they say that they love me, but he'll never show. Y'all ain't hear me though, bending for birth, and that ain't even half of why I'm fucked up. Feel like they all against me, speak when spoken, so they say I'm stuck up. But they don't know for years, man, I was scared to speak up. Scared to yell for help when his body was against me. Scared to tell my mama that a girl had molested me. Thought that she look at me differently, and I was right, cause ever since that night, man, shit ain't been right. Y'all ain't had the struggle, and it shows. Y'all don't know about crawling for you walk. Remember walking from the west to the east. Ride the matter to the store so we can eat. Can't expect the same respect cause y'all weren't raised like me. I respect to my granny cause she raised me right. Crying while I write, but they still think I'm capping. Pockets was empty, so I had to start trapping. Constantly fighting with my mama, feel like she ain't love me. And I'm scared to be a mama, scared my baby won't love me. I'm used to folks leaving now, so it don't faze me. Wonder how it feel to be somebody's main priority. Used to think I was the problem cause my daddy ain't want me. They like let that shit go, but this the shit that made me. They say that their life, but she ain't live mine. It's still suicidal thoughts that cross my mind. I guess I need some love.